Ladies and gentlemen, I want to thank you all for coming here today. Today we mourn the loss of another monitor, a friend, companion, manufactured in the year 2010. It has served me well with great hours of gaming, Elite Dangerous, and other things. My friends, I ask you to click open your Windows 7 file and go to System 32 and let us read together. Windows System 32 file. Include love. Include gaming. Include everything. Let us have a moment of silence for the monitor. Welcome back to another beautiful day out here at the undisclosed location. My name is Spirit Junker. You guys already know that. But today, we are doing something a little special, okay? So you all have seen version 1 of the soda can launcher barrel. You all have seen version 2 of the soda can launcher barrel. But today, I have version 3. That's right, I redid it. Now, you're probably asking yourself why. And that's because there is a real version of these out there that go onto a AR-15 pew-pew. That's all I'm saying, because if I say the other word, I would get demonetized. Heck, I don't know, I might even get demonetized because of this. But, might as well play it safe. Anyways, I saw something in there that I did not have inside of mine, which is, this is completely smooth bore all the way down, and it has to have the can touch back here. This design is a little different, and it's all thanks to the test that I did last Tuesday that you guys will see today. I gesture a lot with my hands. So, we're gonna put it through its paces today. I'm excited, and plus I got some new stuff to destroy. So let's get to it. Why did I make so many barrels? Okay, as you can see, I have attached the new barrel. I think you are recording? Yes. Okay, as you can see, I have attached the new barrel. It is loaded, and I'm not shooting at anything, I'm just shooting it out there, making sure it doesn't explode. Because there is something special down here, very special. Okay, so, sure those are shut. Let's get her filled up. This is where I normally cut. Yeah, I'm gonna cut here. Moving quick. Test firing in 3, 2, 1. Cool. Not as much oomph behind this one. That's fine. Okay, as you can see now, I put the monitor out there. It served a good life. Now it's going to serve an even better purpose. Thank you, monitor. You really did help me throughout my life. Here we go. Monitor destruction in 3, 2, 1. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, please tell me you caught that. Oh, you did. Ooh. I'm curious. So it still has air in it. I'm doing this quick. I'm probably cut. Oops, by now. Yep. Still have air in here. Enough to do a second shot? Yes. Ooh, barely. Okay, so there is. Right. These guys are. Cool. Where did it hit? Okay, so the monitor survived. Look at the can, though. Look at the can. I hit it sideways? Okay. All right. So, as you can see, I've got the monitor still down there. Now with the GoPro next to it, so we have extra footage. It's recording. I'm gonna charge it and we'll fire. Firing. Don't hit the GoPro, you melon. In 3, 2, 1. Oh. Oh. Oh, that one landed sideways. Okay, firing again. Don't hit the GoPro for a second time. In 3, 2, 1. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. That's what I wanted right there. You didn't get. Oh, you did. Hang on. Oh, I'm sorry. I am so. Oh. Oh, you got. Oh. Oh, I am so sorry. Oh, you got soaked. Okay. Oh. Oh yeah. That's done for. All right. Have you ever wondered what happens when you shoot a soda can at a PC? I have. Let's do it. This one is an old Gateway Red Windows. Oh yeah, the Intel stock cooler. It's already been dented a little bit. I used it as a step stool because I'm short. But that fixed it. There we go. So let's go put it down around. Okay, I don't know if you've noticed, I've turned the computer case more so that's in line with the barrel of the soda can launcher. And I'm gonna load it up and we're gonna fire it. Computer versus soda can in 3, 2, 1. Oh. Oh. It survived-ish. Anyone need a Intel stock cooler? Let's take a. Must have. Oh my God. I don't know if this shows up on camera. Checking my framing really quick. I think it hit right here. Yeah, it did. Look. I don't know if that shows up. That's where the rim of the can hit. And then it... Wow. Let's go again. Computer, other side of it. Don't know what to call it. 3, 2, 1. Oh, that one went low. Oh, that one went low. That was... Okay. That one hit. Oh. Yeah, this is done for, but look at this. Can you see? Right here? Look at that. That's, yeah, I don't... Crazy, you were right. This can break bones. It could dent metal too. Jeez. I mean, I know it's thin sheet metal, but Jesus. Okay, so we've seen what happens when we shoot a can at a computer, a monitor. What about a laptop? Yeah. I'm gonna go set it down there and then we'll fire it off. Soda can versus laptop in 3, 2, 1. Oh, damn. Oh, damn. Oh. Oh, damn. Oh, wow. Look at that. Let's hit it again, but I'm gonna hit it this side. Dell, good products. Somewhat stand up. I mean, soda can versus the other side of a laptop in 3, 2, 1. Oh. Oh. I cleared it. I don't know whether to be proud of the fact that I whiffed over it or pissed. Gotta love it. Don't know no better. You gotta love it. Well, thank you everyone for watching. I think that was a successful day. I do apologize, you will not see the last shot I did against the laptop. Mainly because some guy drove up as I was shooting it and questioned what this was, and I showed him and I had it set it. Anyways, this was a success. Oh, hey Future Spirit, you're gonna have to show a video of what this is. Why this is different, okay? Do it now. All right, Spirit from the future here. As you can see, this is the version 2 Cannon's barrel. This is the lower half. There are 2 halves to this. There's an upper and a lower. The lower is the only thing that has been modified besides the top of the first one. That one was modified in such a way of just removing the muzzle brakes. This one, however, as you can see, and I'll do this for you here. See if I can, there we go. You can see as we go through the slicer here, it has nothing in it. What's new about version 3's barrel, I think I actually named it 4 by accident, which is wrong. But as you can see here, as we go down with the slicer, hey, what's this? So this is something off of the one that's real. By the way, that green section right there, that is actually just support material if the 3D printer were to print it out. So as we can see here, if we go back up and we hit right about here, it tapers to a flat point, and then as we continue up, it creates this little peg-looking thing that holds the can right about there against it and allows this piece in here, if you can take a look, allows this piece to pressurize in here, allowing the air to flow in here, besides just hitting the back of the cannon and trading back pressure. But yeah, that's what Past Me wanted. So I'm going to give it back over to Past Me. Past Me? Thank you, future me. Okay, so I think it was great. Look at this. You can see it's dented this. This is, I'm gonna consider it really dead now. Oh, you can see where it hit, right here, and right here. That just got annihilated. Dell really stepped up their game, it looks like. So, yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if no one's told you today, I'm gonna tell you from the bottom of my heart, I love you. You guys are amazing, you guys are awesome, and without you, we wouldn't be able to do random stuff like this. Things might change on the channel. There'll still be destruction of some kind, but I think I'm gonna tilt it more towards making for right now, because as you can see around me, it is getting a little colder and a little rainier, and I won't be able to come out here all that often because I'm using a phone to record with. But I'll take it from there. Yeah, see y'all later. Bye.